Yo, what's up everybody? This is Chronic17. I'm coming at you with an unboxing. So, here we go. Okay, it's my grinder. I ordered a grinder from Sharpstone grinders. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, I got a see-through one. Cool, another spoon. It doesn't have like a big thing for the weed, but it's okay. It's a huge ass grinder. I didn't think it was this fucking huge. This was only like 20 bucks too, but this is why I'm loving it. For the keef. So this is my unboxing of my new Sharpstone clear see-through grinder. It's actually really cool. I like it. So, as always, comment, rate, subscribe, and thanks for watching.